On today's video, we're going to change out the sand in our Waterco HRV 36 sand filter. Here it is here, very similar to the Hayward sand filters. Let's get started. First thing we do is power down the pump, and this one takes 800 pounds of sand. Remove the drain plug. Next, we need to open up the top port to get to the sand. They do recommend to change out your sand every 3 years. Instead of sand, we're going to replace it with glass media, which is just grinded up glass. They say it works better than sand, and it lasts 10 years. I really don't know the last time they changed out the sand, but by the looks of it, it's been a while. It's time. Before we get started, we're going to go ahead and cover up the ports, so as we're removing sand and adding sand, we don't get any sand in the ports. Let's go ahead and get started removing 800 pounds of silica sand. We're going to be scooping it out and shop vacuuming it out through this small 9-inch hole. This is going to take a while. It's going to take hours to do. This is very tedious work. Shout out to my friend Bill Ripple. He can contest to that. I'm going to start my pile right here, bucket number 1.
Hours later.
Rinse it out a few times. Go ahead and clean it up. After you remove all the sand, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the bottom of the tank. So now it's time to fill up our filter with either sand or glass media. First thing we do is you have to put your drain plug back on before we add any sand or glass media. It's very important to fill up your filter halfway with water so we don't damage our laterals. We're going to use glass media instead of sand to fill our sand filter back up. We got our water in there. Hold on there. We only have to use 80% of this product to the sand ratio. So we're going to put 17 of them. If we were using sand, we would have to put 20 bags in. Instead of 800 pounds, we only have to put in 640 pounds. That's 1. 16 more to go. Last one.
That's the last one?
Yeah.
Nice.
We have 17 right here. So, see, make sure you remove the tape off your ports. All right, we got water in here all the way to the top. Let's go ahead and put this baby back together and fire it up. The instructions say that we have to backwash our new sand or media. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up in backwash position. And before we do that, I made sure my pump was primed. I'm going to go ahead and backwash it. So I'm going to run it for about 4 minutes. Clean up that new sand, get everything out of there, and then rinse it. And now we're back on filter. We got our pressure at 15, which is good.
3 days later.
There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.